さあ今日から始まりました YouTube 企画、テーマはズバリおもてなしなんですよね。もう海外のお客様に少しでもですね、大阪そして日本のいい思い出を作ってもらおうと最高のおもてなしプラン考えています。でロケ地はこちら、インバウンドの今や聖地黒門市場、参りましょう。
Czech. It's in the middle of Europe. It's part of Europe. Czech Republic.
Czechko.
Czechko.
Oh, Czechko. What's your name?
Yaroslava.
Yaroslava. Oh, yeah. How old are you?
Oh, 27 years old.
27 years old. Why you come to Japan now?
Actually, I did a Shikoku pilgrimage.
So, お遍路。四国歩き。Oh my god. And why you were staying right now in Osaka?
Because I have flight home from Osaka, and I love the culture and food and everything.
Do you have about an hour?
Yeah, I have.
Do you have?
Yeah.
Do you want to try more experience of Osaka?
Of course.
Of course. Can we go together?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What's your name again?
Yaya.
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 ヤヤさんから OK いただきました。おもてなしツアースタートです。What is your most surprising things when you come to Japan first time?
Hard question. I just love Japan, so it's hard. Maybe the best thing what I experienced was the seeing Fujisan.
Oh, yes.
In her all beauty.
Yes.
It was really a magical moment for me.
Oh,
So, yeah.
I see. 初めて日本に来た時何に驚いたかってやっぱりね、富士山の美しさ。You see by the train?
Yeah. Oh, and I were at Churaito Pagoda. So.
鎌倉。
はい。
鎌倉。Yes. What's your favorite Japanese word? Anything?
I love the phrase お気をつけてください。
Why you like that word?
I don't know, because it's so warm. It's so warm from locals here that they are always saying, "Oh, 気をつけてください."
なるほどね。
Yeah, it's so yeah.
その言葉にすごく温かみを感じていらっしゃるということですね。
Or 頑張って。
頑張って。
Yeah. When I was in a Shikoku, all people told me, 頑張って、you can do it, keep fighting. It was
So Yaya, this way please. What do you think about this shop? おしゃれ。今から何か着るのかな、この雰囲気からっていうことで From now, you're gonna try yukata. Do you know yukata?
Yeah, I know, it's really beautiful. It's like traditional.
Yes, right. めっちゃ喜んでくれています。Have you tried yukata before?
No, it's first time.
マジで初めてだそうです。She's the owner of this store. どうぞ。
Nice to meet you.
横に。はい。お名前は？
宮田真由美と言います。
このお店はどういうお店なのか改めて教えていただいていいですか？
はい。オープン自身をコンセプトに、どっちかというとトラディショナルというよりも、新しい着物スタイルをご提案させていただいてます。大体うちの商品というのは、いろんな作家さんのものづくりにこだわった手作り商品を販売させていただいてます。
It's all handmade.
Oh my god.
では早速ですが、ヤヤさんの返信お願いしてもよろしいでしょうか？
はい、かしこまりました。
お願いします。照れてる。How do you feel wearing this yukata?
Oh, it's really comfortable.
Comfortable?
Yeah,
Really?
The materials are really, how can I say, kimchi?
この素材って何なんですか？
コットンになります。
It's cotton.
Yeah.
じゃあ汗も吸うし、
そうなんです。
最高ですよね。
はい、オーガンジー素材になってます。コットンのオーガンジーで、風通しもよく涼しいですし、普通に洗濯機で洗っていただけるので、はい、楽ちん。
なるほどね。So, do you want me to take your picture and do you want to send to your boyfriend?
We can do it. It's no problem.
Yes. Okay.
Paparazzi.
Like a paparazzi. We are paparazzi. Yeah. Thank you. こういうね、普通 通に着れる機会ってなかなかないじゃないですか、
はい、
そういう機会ってないんですか？
もう最近はね、
はい
なかなか浴衣を着るシーンも少なくなってきましたので、弊社の方で、浴衣で日本酒の会っていうのを開催させていただきます。
浴衣で日本酒、いつ頃なんですか？
はい、7月20日で、この、建物の中にフードホールがありまして、
はいはい、そうありますよね、おしゃれな。
はい、伏見の酒蔵さんがあるんですけれども、そこの、酒蔵さんのご提供で、日本酒飲み放題、で、日本酒に合うあても込み込みで皆さん浴衣で楽しんでいただく会をこちらの方で開催したいと思います。
なるほどね、もうぜひともこの機会に皆さんお越しいただけたらなと思います。
7月20日でございます。ぜひいらっしゃってください。
今日どうもありがとうございました。
ありがとうございます。
As about lunchtime.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Always.
いつも腹減ってると。それは子供一番いるわけやもんね。Is it possible? Do I you to take to my favorite restaurant?
Oh yes, please. I would be.
What's your favorite food?
Like in Japan, it's a really hard question. I love everything.
もういろんなものがあるお店にお連れします。So let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Well, from now, I'm gonna take you my favorite restaurant.
Okay.
It's have so many good food. So, are you hungry now?
Of course.
参りましょう。So this is my favorite restaurant, please. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. Please go in. Yes.
こんにちは。
こんにちは。
いらっしゃいませ。
まだ。おかみさん。Yes.
Hello.
So, what do you think about this restaurant?
I love it.
Which part do you like it? Tell me a detail about it.
I like the traditional art around and the traditional sitting here and everything. It's
なるほど。
cozy here. It's cozy.
Well, have you been at this kind of restaurant before?
I don't think so.
Oh. So when you come to Japan, what kind of restaurant you get into?
Izakayas?
居酒屋。でも here is 居酒屋 too.
Oh, but like standing izakaya, you know? What I
I know. 立ち飲み行くの It's very cheap and
Yeah.
But this restaurant is a sitting place, right? What do you want to drink first?
Oh, I'm not sure. Omakase?
お任せ。おかみさん、おすすめの飲み物ってあります？
あ、はい。
何ですか？
青森のリンゴを使ったプルプルリンゴ酒っていうのがございます。
へー、so please say プルプルリンゴ酒スパークリングゼリー please と。
プルプル what?
プルプルリンゴ酒。
プルプルリンゴ酒お願いします。
Oh,
Sorry.
great.
あ、間違えました。プルプルリンゴ酒です。
ありがとうございます。
Do you know the word when you drink
Yeah.
first?
Yeah.
Hey, come on.
Yeah.
なんていうの？
It's like 乾杯。
Yes. じゃあ行きましょう。乾杯。
Oh, it's so good. It's jelly inside.
Yes. それがプルプルよ。プルプル
Now I understand.
プルプル Yes.
So good.
サンプルプル Yes. ここのレストランは青森の料理を主体にした居酒屋。And look at this. 青森といえばお祭り、ねぷた祭り。
Wow.
Do you know ねぷた祭り？They made all paint by the paper, like a very strong drawing. And it's so big, with like a carnival.
Oh wow. Beautiful.
Very
Love
beautiful.
it.
So, what kind of food do you want to eat at first?
Not sure.
Okay. おかみさん、おすすめの一品お願いします。一品目。はい。さあ、おかみさんが何持ってきたか。
ほろ酔いセットでございます。本日のお作りと小芋と椎茸、あとちくわにからし明太子を乗せてます。あとポテトサラダときゅうりの上に乗っているのは青森から取り寄せている珍味のニシンの麹漬け。
これが。
はい。
おー、なるほど。
なかなか大阪の衣市場では、手に入らなくて、青森からね、古宅便で送ってもらってます。右側、山芋の梅肉ソースをかけてます。ぜひ食べてみてください。
So, please try tuna if you want.
I'm not really good with chopsticks, so sorry.
It's okay.
Hey. It's really good.
Very good. Really good と入りました。How good is it?
It's melting on my tongue. It's
溶けてる。
it's so soft. I love it.
よかった。I want you to try this herring, fish called herring. with pickles by rice malt.
Oh, okay.
So with a cucumber. Yes. どうぞ。
It's really crunchy. I love it.
Oh really? What's a drink?
Oh yeah.
What's it? Oh, come on.
Puru, you said?
Puru, yes.
It's a really fun drink. I love
Fun
it.
drink, yeah.
Oh, this one is tempura or?
Tempura with a chikua with a fish scrape the fish and make like cake and
Oh.
fried up.
Okay.
It's called chikua.
Chikua? Oh, okay. I can try.
How is it?
I love it. I love everything.
Everything. ありがとうございます。
It's really crunchy, but inside is so soft. You can just chew and.
めちゃめちゃ食レポうまいな。で、Have you tried 枝豆 before?
Oh, no, yeah, I tried. I love it.
Show me how you eat it. Oh!
Is it right?
Correct! So try shiitake. This is a Japanese mushroom.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh, okay.
Try it.
Oh my god. The
my-
taste is really strong.
Yeah.
It's like umami. It's umami taste.
うまみ
I love it.
わかるのすっごい通だね。
I love it. It's really good. Oishi.
This is Japanese yam.
Oh, okay.
Yes, try it.
Okay.
With a
and the
bainiku.
sauce is spicy.
It's a plum sour sauce.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Oh, the
Ooh,
texture.
sticky.
Wow, okay. It's really weird texture, but it's crunchy and but fresh. I love it. It's really good. It's a little bit sour. It's just
yes,
a little
with
bit,
a
but
sauce.
it's really good. I haven't tried this before.
Oh, do you want to see how it look like?
Of course.
Look like this.
Oh, wow. This looks better.
こっちの方が全然見た目いいねと。そりゃそうだ。My wife been to the Czech once time when she was in university,
Oh, well,
and she told me that Czech is so beautiful,
oh, really? I'm so glad.
but Czech was so cold over there. She said.
Yeah.
What's the country like for your view?
It's really hard to describe. I don't know. Czech is really beautiful, and I think there is a lot of traditional things,
Like traditional, like what?
like clothing.
Oh, really?
In Czech, it's Korea.
民族衣装ね、黒屋っていう。Anything else?
A lot of in Czech, it's really a part of our culture is beer.
Beer? ああ、そうなんや。ビールがしかいない。
We really love beer.
How about the food?
And food, we don't have so soft food like here.
What do you girls eat in Czech?
Oh,
Everybody.
I think everyone loves svíčková.
What kind of food is it?
It's sauce, and there is meat, and on the meat is lemon and cranberries.
へー。
It's
想像つけへんな。めちゃめちゃやん。Dad!
oh,
So surprised.
this is dumplings.
Dumpling?
Yeah.
Dumpling made by what?
Oh, it's from I don't know.
Dumpling.
Some of them are from potatoes,
Potato.
and
Oh.
some of them is from flour.
Hey.
This is meat.
Meat,
like
yes.
Maybe I think it's beef.
Beef, yeah.
Yeah. This is cream, lemon,
Yeah.
and the cranberries on.
へー。カオスやな。This is most famous food in Czech.
I think it's most yeah.
Really?
With the Czech beer, really good combination.
How different beer and Japanese and Czech?
Oh really? It's so different because our beer. Your beer is so light. You can drink it.
Right.
You can drink it all day.
Yeah.
But our beer is strong. So,
Really?
Yeah.
すごいビターで、でも時々場合によっては甘かったりとか、もうとにかくごちゃ混ぜですね。僕のおすすめです。
お待たせいたしました。アッパー焼きでございます。はい。ホタテの卵とちになります。
Do you know ホタテ It's a very delicious shell.
Oh.
The shell with a tamago, egg.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay. I've never
I could.
tried it.
I'll serve you.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh, thank you.
Okay. This sauce is so good.
Oh, okay.
So try it. ホタテね。
It's really soft.
Soft. Right.
Really good.
Very good. Very good. You now. Very
Wow.
good. How good is it?
It's really good. It's all around the scallop and it's so juicy. I love it. Wow. There is more flavor than in the scallop. It's more juicy.
Do they in the Czech? Do they have a similar food like this?
No.
No?
I don't think so. No.
Nothing.
No, nothing. No.
Why?
Because scallops is rare in our country. We eat a lot of eggs, but not like this.
Do you think Japanese food is number one all around the world?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh,
But don't tell my Czech friends.
Okay, okay. YouTube に出ますからね、これ。
Oh, yeah!
In the Czech, do they try soy sauce over there?
We eat soy sauce, but not in our Czech cuisine.
It's made by soy sauce and mirin. Do you know mirin? It's a Japanese.
Mirin?
Mirin.
Oh yeah,
It's
I know.
Japanese kind of
Yeah.
spice and what's the dashi?
Dashi.
And dashi.
Thank you. I can do it now.
You can do it. Yes, yes. こんな簡単なもんちゃうわ。When you come to the first time in Japan, how you get surprised by differences between Czech and Japan?
Really big culture shock because a lot of people here are so warm and respectful for the
Yes.
yeah.
なるほど。So, what is it about the bowing?
Yeah, the bow.
Japanese,
I love it. It's cute.
Oh, really?
I think it's really cute, and it's natural for me to bow to show your respect for each other, and I love it. I need this in Czech Republic too.
In the foreigner, people think maybe a strange.
Yeah, for foreigners, I think it's strange because we don't bow in our country
yes,
and
yes, yes.
everywhere around Europe. It's weird. You just
Anything else?
everything here is so clean and organized, and in Europe it's not like similar at all.
So, what's a dirty you think in Europe?
Like trash on the streets, and there are no bins. Like there are no bins, and there is no trash on the streets and everywhere. I'm so surprised about it.
Because we are Japanese.
Of course, and I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Thank you. How about that Thailand?
Oh, I love washlet. Oh my god. I need it in Czech too.
When you get into the washlet, you try to push all of the tongue.
It was kind of hard for me for the first time. I just need to use the Google Translator to know what each button do. So I was like, but now I'm like pro.
Pro級やと。You tried the first time press a washlet. How do you say it?
It's
Come on, tell me. How you? あとはご想像にお任せします。
次はタイのアラです。どうぞ。
This is a Thai with a head grilled fish head grilled called Thai. Yes. Which head you want? どっちの顔
The right one.
違いあれへんやん。
Okay.
Okay. With a sauce.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Bardock roots. You know?
No.
知らんのかい。It looks like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Of course,
No.
this one looks better.
Yes.
It's sweet. There are a lot of texture inside,
Yes.
but I love the sauce.
Do you have a similar vegetable in Czech?
I think we have similars, but I don't know how I can pronounce it. Or how I can, yeah.
All right. It's made by sugar, mirin, and soy sauce.
Oh,
Only
okay.
three.
I don't. It's really hard to.
How is it?
It's so soft and creamy and sweet. Tofu here is way different than tofu we can buy in Czech. We can buy tofu in Czech, but it's not as good because your tofu is so soft.
And main dish, please try Thai no aradaki head of the Thai.
How can I eat it? It's so
Anyway,
scary.
You can try it. Just
has
to lift it
teeth,
off.
like here.
You don't try the teeth. 噛まないから You can try here.
Oh, this looks
Here,
good.
please.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Wow.
Wow 出ましたよ。Oh.
I didn't expect this taste. Really good. Yeah.
Good,
I just
good.
can't watch, but it's really good. I can't describe it. It's really sweet, but I can taste the fish flavor here. And
So next, try the iron.
No, really?
Yes.
Just because of you.
僕のために食べてください。
Oh, it's my first time. I don't like. Oh my god. It's really hard to.
Yes, yes.
Oh, I can do it. I can do it.
プルプルよ、プルプル。プ
Okay.
ルプルプル。
It's good.
Oh!
It could be good. It's I.
So this time you came to Japan. What's the reason why you came to Japan this time?
I'm here because of Shikoku pilgrimage.
Yes. So how you find Ohio?
It's because near my country is Spain and
Yeah.
there is Santiago de Compostela. But I think it's really crowded now.
Mm-hmm.
There is a lot of tourists and I just wanted my journey more calm. I visited Japan 2 years before.
Yeah.
And I just love Japan.
Mhm.
And I thought about, oh, is there something like that in Japan? And I just searched on the websites and I saw, oh, there is a Shikoku. Okay, this is what I want. This is what.
Really?
Yeah.
こういう写真をね、これ回ったっていう証明書らしいんですよ。88箇所。回ったらこういう証明書をもらえるんですって。But you have to take a long time for vacation, right?
Oh,
If you
yeah.
want to go to Ohio, how many vacation you take?
Actually, I quit my job before.
マジですごいな。
But I felt a lot like lost in my life. So it was my opinion that it's better to come here and just do all the journey.
Why you lost your life in this time, in this timing? Yes.
It's really hard to say, but I need to take care of my ill mother, and my mother dies.
Why? What was
Cancer.
it?
Because cancer. Yeah. And I just felt lost in my life, and I don't like my work, and I don't like everything. So I need to take a break, and I thought this is the best option to do.
So when you are lost in yourself, you lose your mother. Ohenro change your life?
Oh yeah.
How change it?
I don't know. I just appreciate every second in my life. It's weird. You are always around a lot of beautiful nature and beautiful people who are so warm here, and they just want to help you with your pilgrimage. And I'm just so glad I can be here and yeah, have this experience.
How about you and your mother? Do you have any kind of changes in your mind between you and your mother?
I think I can close it here because I can feel my emotions to the full here.
Yeah.
I just can be on by myself and just feel everything what I can before. So I think I leave her here and just start my life again. Yeah.
いやなんかすみませんちょっとそっかなるほどおーなるほど It's very emotional.
Yeah, it's
yes,
very
yes,
hard.
it's very hard to explain. So do you talk your mother?
Yeah, all the time.
All the time, yeah.
I prayed for her in every temple for her soul. So yeah.
Really. How you talk to her?
Oh, she can be happy somewhere and then just feel free. Don't cry. I will cry too.
I see.
Yeah.
彼女がね、いつもこのお遍路でお母さんと喋ってましたかって聞いたんですよ。いつもお母さんと会話してて、彼女はそばにいるけども、私も新しい第一歩を踏み出すことができた。で、そのお遍路で私にとって第二のお父さんにも出会えたそうなんですよ。Can I see his father?
Of course. His name is Yuji Sato.
ユージ佐藤さん。
Really
何回も
cool.
このお遍路されてる広島の方とこう出会って、でなんか美味しいレストランにも連れて行ってもらったそうです。
Oh, this is him. This is our with yeah.
Nice. 第二のお父さん、ユージさんです。
Yeah.
Told you something about YouTube, right?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
He told me about the channel named Momoka, and I just love it because there are foreigners who eat Japanese food, and I'm here right now. It's really weird, but I'm glad it's honor for me. It's like destiny.
Destiny, もうまさに運命だと。
It's not coincidence.
So next coming up is tempura.
Beautiful.
You know, eggplant,
Shrimp.
shrimp, squid and onion, and this is very rare.
Oh.
Tomato.
I've never tried tomato.
Please try it.
Okay. Like
Yes,
that?
fine.
It's okay. And just
Yes,
mix
yes,
it.
yes. トマトからいきましょう。
Okay, let's try.
Are you eating one?
Mmm.
やけどしてるから。How is it?
It's so juicy. I love it. But I love the texture. It's crunchy and inside it's so juicy. It's like fresh tomato inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
Good. How about 10 to you?
Oh, I love it.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course. Well, of course, sure. Please compare.
I think this one is more softer.
Softer, really.
Shikoku, there is more flavor, but I like both. It's hard to compare.
Oh, really.
Yeah, but it's really good. I love it.
So can you tell to the front of the camera, oishii?
Oishii. It's really good.
So you come to Japan about the 2 months. 2 months you were staying in Japan, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Don't you miss him?
Yeah, I miss him a lot. I'm looking forward to see him. Yeah.
How you met him?
We have met at the prom, at the ball. Do you know what it is?
It's in high school?
No, it was prom of my organization where we worked together.
Really?
Yeah. It was special. We danced with each other.
Oh,
It was
really?
so romantic. Yeah. And we have met like that.
What's his name?
Honza. Yenda.
Honza.
Honza.
Give him a message. Honza.
Oh, ahoy Honzo.
Can you see his
Photo?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
会社主催のパーティーで出会って一緒に踊ったそうです。なんか西洋だな。日本では考えられないですね。
He's a drummer.
Oh, a drummer.
Yeah.
Whoa, he's a very macho guy. Look at him. He's like Avengers. Oh, wow. Why? Are you two gonna get married soon?
I wasn't proposed yet.
I
So
see.
maybe sometime. Yeah, we talk about it. But first we would love to travel more and.
I see.
Yeah.
I got it. So from now, you come to this restaurant. Here, not only food you can enjoy.
Oh really?
I introduce you Japanese real music entertainment.
Oh my god.
Okay? In this restaurant, every day they do a music show
Wow.
with a Japanese traditional, like a guitar. But it's not a guitar. Called 津軽三味線。
Wow. Okay.
では、お願いします。最高！ありがとうございました。How was it?
すごい。最高。
最高！ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
Yeah. How is today's my おもてなしツアー？
Perfect. I'm so glad. Thank you.
Perfect! うわ嬉しい！パーフェクト入りました。You're welcome. So it's gonna make your good memory for
Of
Japan.
course. Oh my god. Yeah.
First, I met you before. You like Japan this much.
Oh yeah.
Right now, how much? Yeah! ありがとうございます。
There's no measurement. It's like
もうね
somewhere in it.
測れないほど今回のツアーで日本のことを好きになったと言ってくれています。どうもありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
またのご来日をお待ちしてます。